Welcome to Pulkit Tech, where technology meets practicality. Today, we're diving into the transformative world of automation for productivity. Imagine reclaiming hours from your day, tasks completing themselves while you focus on what truly matters. That's not a distant dream. It's today's reality with the right tools and techniques. From simple IFTTT recipes that connect your apps and services to Zapier workflows that automate business tasks, or Python scripts that handle mundane data entry, the possibilities are endless. We'll explore how these tools not only save time, but also enhance accuracy and consistency in our work. Think about AI-powered assistants that schedule your meetings or smart home devices that learn your preferences. These aren't just conveniences, they're stepping stones to a more efficient lifestyle. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech wizard to harness their power. So if you're ready to transform your productivity and unlock new potentials, stay tuned. We're about to embark on a journey that will revolutionize the way you work and live. And remember, if you find value in our content, hit that like button, smash subscribe, and turn on notifications for more cutting-edge insights here at Pulkit Tech. Your time is precious. Let's make every second count.